right, so we're going to make a little bit spicier cup of hot apple cider. So the premise, the first part is going to be, of course, the same. Take your cup, either make sure it's microwavable. You want to have a good, sturdy, solid cup to go in the microwave, or I like to use Corningware myself. So you take your cup, you want to put in as much apple cider as you want to drink. That's always a good way. Instead of using a measuring cup or something, always use the cup, because then you're getting exactly, you know exactly what you're getting. Because sometimes recipes will say like a cup or 3/4 cup. It's not enough, certainly, for certain cups. So for this one, you fill up your cup. I like to dump it in here. And we're going to do the exact same thing as we did for the regular cup of hot apple cider. Because it's for one person, we'll put in 1 cinnamon stick. If you like it very cinnamony, you can put in more cinnamon sticks if you want. And then a couple of cloves as well, whole cloves. So again, because it's for one person, 2 is always good, 2 or 3. If it depends how, again, spicy that you want it and how much flavor. So 2, 3, I always usually put in 3 cloves. So again, we're going to cover this up. We're going to put it in the microwave for about 2 to 3 minutes. I always make it a little bit on the warmer side, so I tend to do 3 minutes. And then as that is cooking in the microwave, I'll take you to our next clip and show you what we're going to do with the orange. We're going to cut that up and prepare it for the spicy hot apple cider.